Hello fish fools, Jeff here. Really quick, we got a platy fry right there. It's good to see that. Baby platy in my 30-gallon planted Livebearer community tank. So was down to one male platy, all females and one male platy, and the male was a youngster, but now it's wherever it is, it's old enough to impregnate the ladies, and got ourselves a fry. So that's a good sign that and there it is right there. Oh, there's two. Alright, I'm sure there's more, but yeah, it's good to see some baby platies in here. We have a chance for the population to rebound. Alright, just want to show that real quick, and that's it for now. And remember, I'm Jeff, and I enjoy fishies. Thanks for watching.